do? I gotta look to roasters. We have some curry conch. The fish name again, but
angel fish.
Wow. Nice size angel, you know?
So follow me, I'll pick the breadfruit over near my yard, you know? Yeah. For exotic fruits over there too.
Watch it chop it.
Have a fruit just so we don't know what the name of it, but it tastes nice and want to tell me in the comment section if you don't know what it is. See it, yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Ember comment.
One type of Guinea man. Yeah, or one type of cherry, we don't know what it is. What should I do, you know? Yeah, people. Well, it's star fruits them.
Yes. Let me hear. Yes. Now wait.
Sweet.
A big one there. Yeah man, them are sweet people. Star fruits. Yeah man. Spinning around make them see breadfruit tree. This is how we are rate to the people.
Fresh people. I want to run off 4 of them. Next reading, so we'll pick 2 up out of the tree, although they want to kind of small. Yeah.
So they want to do that too. One money.
Acha, you're gonna wait till they go up there. You're gonna wait till they go up there, go catch you again. Yeah. So we can pass on the breadfruit down to the people. Yo, sit on the bottom of this way. I must have one day see. Hold on, let me see. Hold on. Yeah, people. You put this stuff. See that cause I can eat it, man. Wow. Cause go tasty and I'm people. Juicy. Yo, hold back the tree, that's up. And some night tree up there. Hold back the tree, that's up. Let's watch your step. Let's hold back the tree. Pick up the one over this. Yeah, I'm gonna make a tree over there. Yeah.
the cousin one.
Yeah, the mother, yeah.
This is our neighbor named Rankin. Him not like nobody on him Breadfruit tree.
Yeah, so a big one here, cause I pick one here. Hold on, go on.
Don't make it ear. Go for it.
Watch your slippers on the gravel. The people, fresh pick. Watch your slippers on the gravel, yeah. Jump from house to house, see that?
Yo, no, boss.
Yeah, see how the mango tree here, there. There's no ripe one for me. Yeah. People, so we're going to create a big rig, you know? Yeah, so yeah, come back down. Oh, show you pictures, you know? Yeah. So we have a good fish gun here, you know? And we're using up peeps. Don't forget the good fish gun. And so we have all our rod them. So now I gotta see, you know, so now I ramp the fish down with my people. Yeah, man. Got 6 nice roasting breadfruit, my peeps. And we already have our conch, and we have our fish.
So my 3 pound with a nice breadfruit. No. Oh. Epic episode here. Yeah, man, keep tuning. Yeah, we have a whole heap more for sure, and nothing yet. You know.
To clean up. Angel fish.
What's up, angel lemon? Wow. Damn. And something there, some people. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember to leave a comment in the comment section so YouTube can push the video more. You understand me? Yeah, my people, breadfruit them on already, you know. Yeah, man. Bake or bake them, you know. 6 lovely breadfruit, you know, guys.
Yeah, man, everything a curry down, one down, conch, fish, everything together.
Conch, listen to me, people. Yeah, man, you know, go and stay tuned. We're gonna get the conch clean up. After we get the conch clean up and all of that, we're gonna make you see everything look like zine. Stay tuned here, peeps.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
No,
A very epic moment, isn't it?
Yeah.
Take out the feces from out of the conch, isn't it?
No, you're mad. You make a hell of it. Let me take a look at Breadfruit, brother. Boy, I want 6 buns right out in the trees. Stand up here.
This one to clean up peeps. Yeah. Some lovely fish.
Lift him out completely, just put him over the back over there so
Yeah.
you fix up a fire.
Whole heap of heat on that people.
Draw this over this.
Lot of fun today, no? From Orlando, Florida. Big up my TikTok friend them. Big up my Facebook friend them. My Instagram friend them. Just remember, guys, like, share, and subscribe. It's your boy Ben Cuss, and I'm back with another epic adventure. Come them clean up or get them diced up and all of that is in it. Stay tuned on peeps.
You steal and one of the things and that. Throw some water on it.
The people are 6 breadfruit that come out of the fire, you know. We can go and get them big, you know. Stay tuned for all of this, my people.
Tell me something soon ready.
So we can go and get the conch them wash off. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, peeps, so this beat up the conch, I'm gonna dice up here now. Yeah.
Cherise! Ready.
this now, my people. We're gonna dice up and put on the conch, you know, guys.
This dice up there. Yeah man, I get a final wash off and get it seasoned up. So wash them off properly.
Yeah, my peeps, and the conch this, you know, well wash off more than 3 times. Cut up the right and properly way. Wash off the right and properly way. The next move, I'll get the conch seasoned up with the ground provision them and all of that. So stay tuned for all of it.
Yeah man. Jamaican favorite season, garlic. See it here? Yeah. So I'm gonna use a couple peck of the garlic and dice them up same way. Put them with the conch.
Wow, conch pretty, you know, boy. Yeah, man, I garlic is in my teeth. How's it?
Yeah man, you just contact Ram Industry, you know. 585 55 94, you see me?
Anytime I want the poker box, my
Yeah
people.
man. Any box man, pot a gold, roll it, link up with bad company.
Look a piece at a time. I'm skilly and piece of pepper. Look a seasoning this.
We're gonna get the scallion dice up.
Yeah, 20.
So stay tuned for all of that. After we get everything diced up, my people, we're gonna make a show our one, see?
Alright, babe. See there. This is where I use start the pot. Alright, watch out now. What the thing them?
Let it marinate, you know?
Yes. Yes, bro. Rubbing it with the onion, no? Like you need flour. Yeah, man. Alright, people. So we two season them, yeah. Maggi all purpose, Maggi fish season. Yeah. All purpose. Yeah. Rub it in same way, babes. Needy, like a flour we need. Jar full fish season.
Come on, look at the passado, you know?
Curry on it, you know. The curry go and soak it. Member God.
Tricky one. You picking up?
Yeah, man, I want to catch a fragrance today.
It smells good, you know?
Yeah, man, I'll put where I put on to start the cooking, you know what I mean? The people them are going now. See, to the peeps, we not use no oil, we use butter, get a different, you know, flavor. The peeps, butter to go on. Get the curry burn. Yeah, man. Get it over. Yeah, it's over.
Wow, oh my God.
Yeah, man.
Epic one. Stay tuned till when we get the corn them dice up, my people.
Well, we can't not show you now, you know.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Top chef, you know, man. Jesus Christ.
Look at them wash off. People saw the okra this, where onion, no pepper, scallion and thyme. Go on and I put there.
Wow.
Yeah, kind of looks so beautiful. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that's very epic, you know? It's an epic
Yes, you say
moment.
I taste the conch and so I go.
It's an epic moment.
People are trying to go on.
So any of my people, these are the rest of season what already left back.
Yeah. And then I go cook down with the fish. Right now.
Add a little bit of water. Then we're going to put the fish down on top of the conch and we'll zoom in.
Right now.
Stay tuned for all of this, my peeps. Very epic moment.
People are trying to go on. One dung paper. Tell her now. See there. Yeah, people, so cover up the thing and make it go and stay.
Sanitary park.
Yeah, people, well roasting out the kidney. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps, so that is it. Breadfruit and peels. Yeah, peeps. Oh God, I eat this. I'm gonna take him off my fire.
So we can go and get the breadfruit them dice up the right and properly way. Then we will get everything share out so we can start consume some food. You see me? Stay tuned for all of that. I want a more than epic. Remember now guys, like, share and subscribe. You see me? How it taste?
Yeah, man. Yellow heart, man. Roast.
There
Make a
you
wait.
go.
Next year.
Yeah. That's when I showed it. So now you get a plate because you know I'm saying Breadfruit too. You're not gonna let him out. Yeah, give them that. I feel that.
Put it over. Now to finish it off.
Alright, put some pan for me. Feel me that.
This give a piece.
Yeah, me feel.
This give a piece. Yeah, babe.
You don't know
Yeah,
that.
not the big.
There you go.
I can't this sweet.
Checking for one bad rest now. There you go, cuz.
Active man. Active man, huh?
Yeah, me peeps. Yeah, man, you have to give God thanks for everything, you know. God, I provider, you know. God, I provider. If it was not for the Almighty God, this could never happen today. So at the end of the day, I say big up Almighty God, the provider. You see me, I say? Yeah, me peeps, I might own this, you know. Curry conch, curry fish, corn. Yeah, me people. Yeah, me peeps, I consume some food. So, remember now guys, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next epic video. See you, my peeps. I'm out.